Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday, January 12th. It's a little after 2 in the afternoon, I think, and I have been feeling kind of gross today. I napped. I woke up like an hour ago, and I just kind of felt like I needed to clean a lot. So I don't know why, I'm just in the mood, and I thought I would film it. I've already started. I've been kind of like decluttering my closet, doing a bit of a closet clear out. So I have these 2 bags that are ready to go to the thrift store, or to Value Village, I guess, to be donated. I have laundry. I have these clothes that I need to sort through, and then I have my side of the closet that I need to declutter and organize because it's just not super organized. These bins, I want to actually start using them. They're meant to be laundry bins for lights and darks, and I just never use them. They're empty. And then I have like a backpack over there, and then these shelves up here I really want to get to because it's just super random stuff. It's all wasted storage because I don't reach for any of this ever. And I have all of these purses back here that need a home. So yeah, I'm just going to clear out the clothes, super organize all of this. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of vlog style declutter and clean with me, and if you're into that kind of thing, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have a laundry basket right here that's just been chilling in the middle of the room for like a week, so I'm actually gonna sort my laundry. Because I know I want to keep everything that's in my laundry bin because it's the stuff I wear the most. So I'm just going to actually start sorting out my lights from my darks.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it.
Okay, so I've sorted out all my dirty laundry into lights and darks. So actually, I don't know, are these light? I'll probably put these sweatpants in the light pile. So just for now, to keep myself organized, I'm going to shove them all back in there. So now that the dirty laundry is out of the way, these are my extra laundry baskets that I'll just put there. So now I think I'm going to hang up this stuff because this is clean laundry that I just haven't put away.
Too bad I hate advice, 'cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket.
Okay, so this is normally how this area is set up. Normally I have like a plant or something on top of this guy. We had our little bedroom Christmas tree there up until yesterday, so now I need to replace that with something adorable. But for now, I'm going to put this basket here as I go through my closet and try and figure out if there's anything in here that I want to donate aside from, what's in these bags. So yeah, let's start doing that. But here's how I organize my closet. So starting from over here, this is a dress that I need to get altered. These are my most worn dresses. So I kind of keep them here where it's easy to reach. Way over there where it's kind of harder to get at them are my other dresses. Those are more like my summery dresses. So seasonally, I put the dresses that I wear the most that season here. So these are more like long sleeve, comfy, cozy dresses, that kind of thing. Then I have tank tops and camisoles, and then we move into kind of like short sleeve blouses and t-shirts, which I don't have a ton of actually, and then it kind of moves into more delicate long sleeve blouses, and then kind of like cardigans. This is just like a random little overlay thing that I don't know where to put. I should probably put it with these guys. The other problem I have is that this closet is just too crowded. I think what I want to do eventually is make the guest room closet my official closet, and then I would have so much room to spread out. But for now, this will do. So these are my kind of like delicate, fancier long sleeve blouses, and then I have some warmer blouses. a little thicker, denser knits, that kind of thing, long sleeve t-shirts, and now we get into sweaters, which I have a lot of. I could probably declutter a few of these as well. I have some cardigans in here. Yeah, just lots and lots of long sleeve knits, which I'm all about. My favorite hoodie, which I definitely won't be throwing out. More cardigans, more shawls, more cardigans. I have 2 blazers. Oh, plus another one here, which is not where it should be. Some more long sleeve cardigans, some long sleeve knit pullovers, and then some more little jackets, and then we're into the dresses over here. Sorry if the camera is shaky, guys. So I'm just gonna go through these and kind of messily take out what I don't want anymore.
I know that I'm used to treat, well the taste is better. Oh, go on, showing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation, took us we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be 3 for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you.
Okay, so I was pretty ruthless. Anything I hadn't worn at all this year, including this past summer and winter, I am donating. But yeah, I'm going to fold these up, put them into a donation bag, and then start tackling the shelves.
Looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know.
Okay, so I've emptied out everything that I want to. That's a sewing kit that I'm going to keep in here. Those are just extra essentials up there that we don't have room for in the bathroom. So I have a lot to sort out. These are all of my purses that I had up there. I have a few more in the guest room, but these are the ones that I kind of rotate through the most.
Oh, he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm used to treat, well the taste is better. Oh, go on, showing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation, took us we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be 3 for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around.
Okay, so in this bag I just had some old pillowcases, one of them that I made, 2 of them that, I don't know, I just really liked. I've been keeping them since high school. I used to be big on really mismatched pillows on my bed. And then this is just like something I've had for a really long time. Those I'm actually going to get rid of. I just don't need them in my life anymore. And they really serve me no purpose. They just take up room. These, however, I need to keep. So this is my bunny from when I was a baby. She is well loved. Probably could use a wash. And then I know they have those like boxes where you can preserve things like this, so I think I'm gonna put her in one of those along with my blankie. So this is also super well loved. This was my blankie. I took it everywhere all throughout my childhood, and I just want to keep it safe. I might go get it professionally cleaned and then framed, and then when we have kids, it'd be a cute piece of art to put up in their room, maybe, perhaps. And then this is a little doll that my mom actually made for me when I was a baby. So those the 3 things I'm keeping. This is something that Shawn won me at a fair, I believe, when we first started dating, so I'm going to keep that as well. Just something cute to remember it by. So I think I'm going to, for now, keep it all in these bags, and then that'll be our project for this year, is getting these all properly cleaned and just like framed up or stored in a better way. Okay, so here is the situation. I've decided to take a Value Village trip today just to get this stuff out of the house. So these 4 bags are going to Value Village. This is what my side of the closet looks like for now. I won't show you Shawn's because it's still super messy, so I just have, you know, some extra bathroom storage up there. I have my little bag of keepsakes. I have my neck pillow and then this big pillow, which I like to keep both of those in the bedroom. I have really bad acid reflux, so I reach for those all the time, but don't necessarily want to store them out in the open on the bed all the time. So that's where I'm going to keep them, in easy reach. And then I just have my makeup bag, which I use when I travel, my sewing kit, which is handy. We use it all the time, so it makes sense to keep it up here. This big black bag is the one I'm keeping, and I have my clutches inside of it, which is nice because it's actually helping it keep its shape a little bit. Then I've got this guy, and then this little black purse. It's getting kind of dark, so it's hard to see. And then I'm going to be keeping only my everyday purse on this hook here beside the closet. So I have a J hook and Shawn has an S hook. So yeah. Then down here, I'm going to keep my backpack there because it serves as my gym bag and I reach for it all the time. And then these are the only laundry bins I'm going to keep for me up here in the bedroom. It's my lights and my darks. And I normally toss my delicates in with my lights and then separate them in the laundry room. So yeah. This is the current state of my side of the closet and I'm feeling good.
Like